Hello guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your issues that you have on Skype. To know how to find a solution about Skype app, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then we click on first stop. You will enter in the first on Skype. Then you will find first stop and you will click OK. After that we click on storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors on your app. And in the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You can wait a moment again to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.